Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy S26 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings and, not the settings, the dialer. Let's tap and go to your contacts. Now let's find the contact that you'd like to edit and tap on it. I'll pick this one and choose this info icon. Now let's tap on edit, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So let me do that. Let's go back, save. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the picture, and before we will proceed with the next steps, I also highly recommend to set the profile card, thanks to which you can customize the contact even more. Alright, so let me focus on the picture. Just tap on it. Okay, allow all. So you need to allow the access to everything, I mean to the gallery, for example, etc. So basically we will transfer it to this section from which we can choose the photo from. Basically in the right upper corner you've got the camera icon, so you can simply tap on it and your device will open the camera app immediately, so you can take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. If not, you can choose something from your own gallery. Here we've got also Creative Studio, so you can create a unique profile card for yourself or one of your contacts, which is quite nice. So highly recommend to check that. There are a lot of cute options. Here you've got also the stickers, so if you don't feel like using the photo, you don't want to take a photo of this person, you can always choose something which resembles you about this person. For example, this cute fox. Here we've got also Galaxy avatar, so you can simply create the avatar. You can create the avatar with the camera or from the image. You can start with a specific avatar, which is also nice, and you can pick the colors. So let me choose maybe something from the camera. I'll take this one. And now we can choose where we want to apply the photo. So we can apply it to the profile card, picture, or both. I think I'll choose only the picture and tap on done. And now in this step we can zoom in or out the photo. We can also change the position of it, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. Here you can also choose the style. So as you can see, we've got the 3D, toon, retro anime, pop art, watercolor, oil painting, a lot of things to choose. We've got even more. Here we've got the effects. So this is the original one. Oh, okay, so we can apply the grayscale, the colors. I mean, this is a... Oh, okay, so here we can tap on this dot and apply the kind of color shield or color layer to the photo. We can change the intensity of the color. Well, questionable, I would say. And here we've got only those three options. Here we can also tap on image, and again we will come back to this profile picture. Alright, so if you're happy with the results, just tap on done in the right upper corner and tap on save here. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like. Of course, we will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.